Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the price of your community on Skool. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change the price of your community on Skool. Maybe right now it's free and you want to start charging for it. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto your Skool community account. Next, you're going to click on settings on the right-hand side. Now from here, you want to go and click on pricing. And right now we have a free pricing, which is the current price. Simply just click on add price and then enter the amount that you want to go ahead and try out here. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change the price of your Skool community. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.